Can we put him in? He identifies as a corgi in 2022. Alright, I can identify him as a corgi. I swear and soul, owner of him. Guys, today we're going to a dog show called the Day of the Dog. Got Gunner with us in the back.
El Día de los Perros.
Día de los Perros. Woof, woof. Oh, this is sick. Oh, we rocking, Gunner. We rocking, Gunner. Come on. Yeah, Gunner's rocking now. Gunner's rocking now. You guys want to pet him? He's a Belgian Malinois. Sit. Hey. Sit. No, that's a German Shepherd. Belgian Malinois have double-coated fur.
Okay.
Yeah. He's a good boy. Yeah. He's very good for a Malinois. Very good. He just turned 2 yesterday.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What's up, Dior? You might want to watch out. Oh, yeah, I said you might want to watch out.
You like that one? You can take
Sit.
one of these two and then
Come here. No, sit. Sit down. Good boy. Aww. Gunner. Rangel, R-A-N-G-E-L.
the little like hula you know what I'm talking about, the flowers, the colors.
No, I haven't seen that.
What's that? Right there.
Where you get that at?
Somebody's giving them out over there.
You want one? I got you. I'll see if I find one. I got you. I got you. So that's the mission for the video. We're gonna try to find a hula for a dog. Hey, buddy. What's this one's name?
Leo.
Leo? Oh, Leo, nice to meet you.
What's your dog's name?
Gunner. This is Gunner. Yeah. He came with that way. Yeah, I got him five months ago. He just turned 2.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Well,
so.
happy birthday, late.
He literally just turned 2. Yeah, thank you. Come on, buddy. Dude, he's having a blast. Who's this, buddy? Come on. Come on. This is Gunner. Who's this one? Percy? Oh, well, nice to meet you. You're very fluffy. I bet you like to cuddle with him.
I mean, he doesn't like to cuddle.
This one loves to. He'll go underneath me. He loves to. Aw, he's so cool. Hey. Good boy. Good boy. Aw, Gunner making friends. Good boy, Gunners. He's getting overwhelmed love. Are you okay, pal? Is he a little worried? Sit. High five. High five. Hey, high five. High five. You asshole. He's like, he does high five and everything, but I think he's like, there's so much other stuff going on. He's like, nah. Before we leave, she's gonna give us a smoothie for the dogs.
You just jumped on that dog.
Cheese.
What's going on? Doggy Llama here. Day of the Dog Day 2. We got cupcakes. We've got dog smoothies. Come see us.
Hogan is trained for life, right? So we want to build that, those muscles and everything that are going to help us in our everyday lives. So yeah,
that makes sense.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Sweet. Well, nice.
So
man.
opening up sometime around end of January as we get into the 2023, but going to be putting on an outdoor workout December 3rd up at our location, and probably every other weekend or every weekend after that or so.
Dog friendly?
Sure, yeah, we'll run our outdoor workouts. Definitely, yeah, definitely.
I said if he fucks up, he's gonna look like that one. You keep chewing on my stuff, alright? This is Gunner, guys. He's a sweet boy. I'm just messing with him. He's a sweet boy. He just turned 2.
He's 2?
Yeah, he just turned 2.
She's 10 years old.
Aww.
She's an old gal.
Yeah, she's grandma now. She's just hanging
She's a
out.
grandma.
Compare the size, Abel. Get in the shot. My YouTube channel. We're doing a vlog today, so compare the size. That's crazy. Aw, good boy, Gunners. His brother's big too?
Her brother
Other brother?
is bigger, yeah.
Oh man.
He's about 150. He's about 180. Their daddy weighs 268.
She has 100 pounds on you, dude. 100 pounds. This one's 80 with a six-pack. Hey, sit, 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 sit down. Hey, sit. Sorry about that.
No worries.
What's your name?
Fletcher.
Fletcher? I love the name. That's like a human name. He must act like a human.
He does.
Can I pet you, Fletcher? Oh, good kisses, Gunner.
This guy.
Gunner, this is Gunner. No, you can't play here, buddy. He loves to play. Who? What? Are you the older one?
Yep, this is Bean.
Bean? Oh, nice to meet you, buddy. You can get love too. Aw. Well, it was nice meeting you guys.
You too.
Come on, Gunner.
Have a great day.
You too. Can we put him in? He identifies as a corgi in 2022. Alright? I can identify him as a corgi. I swear and soul, owner of him. He needs one. He's been looking for one. Sorry about that. Not sorry. So, do you have an extra one? There's a lady at a booth that's asking me to bring her one. Thank you. Mission passed. Mission passed. Let's go. You look like Kevin Federline with a hat, buddy.
I had to get one, man.
Come on. Come on, buddy. Oh, look at this one. He said, yo. He said,
He's like, I'm in.
he's like, I'm not moving no more, all right? You guys go ahead. I love that. Oh, look at this. Thumbnail, thumbnail. The thumbnail. Got you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Let's go. Today's video, I think we already hit everything, Abel. We came. We saw. Gunner conquered. I think he had a blast.